Lahat mga sir. So, gameplay muna tayo mga sir netong WWE 2K12 'no, dito sa Dolphin Emulator. Yan na. Skip na agad natin para diretso na tayo sa laro. Si Randy Orton pa yung ano dito. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, dito tayo sa universe. Mas maganda kasi maglaro sa universe kasi may schedule yung laban dito eh. Kung sino yung maglalaban. Tulad niya na. Randy Orton. Bahala ka na lang mamili kung sino gagamitin mo pag ano. Ayan. So, umpisa natin to. Maganda tong laban na to. David versus Goliath to. Taba ni ano eh. Taba ni Mark Henry. Triple H. They don't understand, they talk to me. Yeah. Ayun pinaka-idol ko sa ano, sa WWE. Si Randy Orton. I hear voice into my hand, they talk to me, they understand, they talk to me. They talk to me. They talk to me. Apex Predator. Minamin ang taba nito. Ang laki nito. Mark Henry. Tingnan natin kung kaya natin. Gamitin natin dito si si Randy Orton. At talunin natin yan si si Mark Henry. Wala siyang pants. Walang pants to. Binubo ng mga tao.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've just received word that this contest will now be a Falls Count Anywhere
Ayun,
match.
Falls Count Anywhere. Yari ka sa akin. So, ayan guys, so, pwede nyong piliin kung si Randy Orton yung gagamitin nyo o si Mark Henry. Ayan. So, dito tayo kay Randy Orton. Malupit to eh. Start. Ilan taba nito, min. Ako, bugbog agad tayo. Kaya ngayon sa akin. Loko. Loko ka, boy.
Orton loves to inflict punishment. That may be the only thing that he loves.
Gagubit yung referee.
King, what's
Loko
your
ka.
analysis of Mark Henry?
I'll tell you this much, Michael. He can't wait to put a hurting on his opponent here.
Suntok.
He's in
Pak,
trouble
pak,
here,
pak,
pinned in the
pak,
corner and
pak,
eating
pak,
haymakers.
pak, pak. Ay, yun, nasa lag. Ang laki kasi.
The excitement of the air is
So,
palpable.
kahit
for this
angkat na ng mga
no-hold-barred
malulupit na
contest.
banat ni...
Backdrop, and that was a nasty landing.
Pinagsak.
The Viper squeezing down on the head.
Oo, lakas ni Randy Orton. Loko ka, boy.
Oh, the longer Orton's in control of this match, the more
Lakas niya,
dangerous
boy.
it becomes.
Taba kasi.
Remember, this is a no
Yari ka.
disqualification matchup.
Ano, disqualification pa to.
He's got his opponent in the turnbuckle, and here comes the
Oh,
punches.
papasabugin ko yung bungo mo. Ginasalag na naman.
With his strength, I'm not
Baba
sure
tayo,
anybody
baba.
wants to step into the ring.
Ayun, katumakbo.
against
Baba
Mark
tayo,
Henry.
baba.
He's heading out of the ring
Mas baga
now.
tayo mahuli. Ay!
Again, this is a no disqualification match.
Hindi kasi
Anything
mamasuhin ko
goes.
mukha mo.
Well, I think that's about to be put to the
Ooh.
test here.
Oh, that's
Loko
just
ka,
sick.
boy.
That was vicious. He's just brutalizing his opponent. Just look at this. You can see the
Layo ka
results from
dyan.
that move.
Oh, rocked by that sledgehammer. And he's not going to stop there.
Yeah,
Loko.
this is vicious.
Taon na natin,
Over the last 10
masyado na
years,
tayong brutal
SmackDown
eh.
has excited the WWE Universe with some of the most memorable moments in television history. And we're witnessing
Kunin
more
na,
amazing
ano kayo makukuha
moments
niyo?
here
Upuan.
tonight.
Ouch!
Hmm.
That'll make you lose your lunch.
Walang mataba sa akin, boy.
You said it.
Loko ka ba?
And that thing can cause a whole
Tuloy
lot of
natin.
damage.
Hmm.
Boy, oh boy.
Hello.
And at this point, what does Mark Henry need to do, King?
Well, he's been in this type of situation before. He's probably waiting to pick his spot. The only problem is,
Kaya natin
I'm not
piliin.
sure how much he has
Gagawin
left.
mo binitawan.
Ready to see more damage done with that
No,
chair.
nandyan na siya.
Thus far, this has been a very physical, very intense, anything goes contest.
Neto,
The
hindi
toll these
tinatablo. No?
competitors have taken is insurmountable. Hard impact to the back of the head.
Ay,
How
may
many people
tinulak.
are in this world, Michael?
I don't know. I think it's nearly 7 million.
Loko.
Think about this. Mark Henry is stronger than all of them.
Again,
natin
this
upuan.
one's no disqualification, so the ref's going to
Diyan ka sa
allow
baba.
this. He wants to get innovative. Don't mess with Mark Henry.
These guys are giving it absolutely
Rito. Ayun
everything
yung
they've
umakyat
got.
oh. Takot siguro kay Randy Orton. Nahuli ako. Kuya, tinadakot na tayo. Gusto mo, dito tayo maglaban. Higa rito, boy. Dali na ngayon sa akin.
Oh, look out!
Ang lakas oh.
Under the rules of a no disqualification match, the referee is powerless to stop this one. What is going through that demented mind of Randy Orton?
Kaya bagsak.
You never know.
Sakit
And
nun.
quite frankly, I'm scared to find out.
Lugi pala to eh. Lugi ito, kawawa oh.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
Ikaw, nahuli tayo.
Randy Orton acknowledges that he
Oh,
is sick and
inombak yung ulo.
twisted. And indeed, he is just that.
Oh my gosh.
Ayan na,
look at
yari ka
that.
na ngayon. Ayan na.
What a battle this has been. This no
Ayo.
disqualification, anything goes match.
Ah,
Henry
ano
into the
nangyari?
headlock.
Oh
Hindi siya
no.
nag-superman.
And flesh and steel collide.
Wow.
He
Gagi,
wasted
bibilangan
no
na tayo.
time going for that pin.
No, no. Hindi mo ko pwede bilangan.
How much more extreme will this match become?
Ah, nahuli na naman. Ah, takbo. Gusto mo na malupit?
Hey, Orton.
Bra.
Viper strikes. RKO.
KO ka ngayon sa akin, boy.
Look at the
Ah,
disdain
inangasan pa.
in the eyes of the Viper.
Isa pa. Yes.
You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken out of these men.
Lalaro ako dito eh. Nag-streamer ako eh, oh. Nanata mo sa ulo.
Just
Ah,
unstable, disturbed is Randy Orton.
He's got him up.
labag.
Down on the
Nawawa na. Naku, putok na yata yung ulo. Oh. Gago, na yung ulo nyo.
Randy Orton is set.
Hindi nyo lang kasi
You don't have
makita
to
kasi
like
maitim
him,
siya,
but
men.
you have to respect him. Do you believe in those
Oh,
words?
nakawala na naman siya.
Well, I know Randy Orton believes it.
Ah!
It's hard to argue with success.
Oh.
And Randy
Balibalakang ni
Orton
Randy
is a
Orton dun.
success. He has the win-loss
Pala binilangan
record
ko na
to prove it.
kanina.
He has the path of
Ang
destruction. to
NRKO ko. Gago, sabay pa. Talo tayo dito sa ano. Sa palakasan. Malakas to eh.
Hey!
Ah, ako.
Made for
Dali ka na naman,
debilitating
boy.
move on the heavy iron.
Oo, nagwawala na.
Good grief! Big time impact on that concrete. He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going now.
Kaya dito sa loob ng ring. Ayaw mo makyat na. Oh,
Mark Henry showing tremendous power.
He picks
Dapat
the
sa'yo minamaso.
sledgehammer back up. This might only take one more shot.
bitawan na natin to. Kasi RKO na natin siya.
He's going
Bang!
RKO.
RKO.
And Orton's going to pick up the win.
Kailangan na natin.
1, 2, 3.
Haha, panalo.
And Orton picks up the win.
RKO ba naman eh?
absolutely amazing.
We knew he felt he had to win this one tonight.
I mean, there's absolutely no
Here's
way
your
to
Hey,
win
talk
or
to
beat
me.
this victory.
Randy
Perhaps the biggest in his life.
Anes. Parang di Orton yan. Nagwawala pa siya. Oh, ano? Gusto mo laban?
The rivalry between these two seems to be escalating more by the day.
Yeah, these two can't stand each other. The referee better just step
Inawat
aside
no.
if he doesn't want to get
Ala.
hurt.
And now a whole army of security is coming out to break this up.
Uy, gagi.
We may
Nagsuntukan.
need the National Guard.
Pangatlong laban na kasi nila to eh. Yung dalawang laban, di ko napakita sa inyo eh. Pangatlong laban na nila to. Rivalry talaga silang dalawa eh. Ang kulit eh.